We start with weekly chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And after we get this trade, this move, then we had the correction. And right now I'm looking at this. All right, mostly we have this flat, and this is the only things we have because we cannot refer to the history. If we look at this one, technically, from there we can look for buy. How deep this one can go, and we can expect the price to take the previous low, but we prefer the price to reverse without breaking the previous low, because in that case we will have the expanding flat and it will become very complex. By the way, from now we're looking for buy. If we get an opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And if we move to daily chart, this is what we're looking for. If the price could continue following by correction, is really good for us. Any trade for buy, we'll take it. But the only thing is when we move to forward chart, after we get this drop, we get this correction, and this is what we get. Right now, the question is how to look at this one. Even we consider at this low. For sure, if the price could break the lowest price of this from here, then any reversal, we would take the trade as a long term. And as we can see, the price couldn't take the previous low, which is this one. If we don't consider this part, just we refer to this, the previous low as what I show here, we can look for divergence. But if we consider this one as a part of this correction, we cannot look for the divergence. Then in that case, this is the flat. And this is the correction relative to this. Technically, the best thing is if we see one more drop before we see the reversal. But if we get this one, this is the best I'm looking for, but we don't need to wait for this. If we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And this is the target as a 32 following the 35 I'm looking for. We need to see the breakout of this one to confirm we are with an uptrend. And mostly we need to see the breakout of the previous low, previous top. What I want to say is that if anyone wants to look for buy from here, either we wait for the breakout of this correction, from there, any flag, we take the trade, or if this one turned to a deeper correction, also we can take the trade, but we need to be really careful because we want to see the continuation as a sharp move and we want to see breakout of this one. The reason is if the price couldn't break, then we can expect to see the next drop before we see the reversal. All right, we need to be careful about this. By the way, based on forward chart, we don't have any opportunity for buy, even sell. Mostly at the top of the correction, we look for sell, not we look for buy. All right, and this is what I get. If I get having entry above this or above here, I won't suggest it. The only way we can look for buy, we look for the reversal sharp move flag, and with the breakout of the previous stop, it depends where we get the flag, move or stop loss to break even. Because if I move to forward chart, technically, if you want to buy at the top of the correction, we have to wait to see the breakout of this correction flag, we take the trade. But if anyone they want to take the risk, they want to trade within this one, because if I move to 1 hour chart before, I mean, if they get an opportunity for buy as a flag, as long as the price haven't break the correction, for example, if we see any reversal as a short move flag, if we take an opportunity for buy with the breakout of the previous top, or if we can get into the profit, we have to move our stop loss to break even. All right, because it's really risky. And if anyone wants to look for sell, if the price continues to drop following by reverse flag for sell, this is where we can take the sell. For sure, if we want to look for sell, in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us better opportunity. But at this point, we are more interested to look for buy. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.